Hello everybody, it's Mick from what used to be JesterBushcraft, but that's all changing. For those of you who are regular subscribers to the channel, you will know the channel as JesterBushcraft, and it has been for, blimey, over 10 years. That's how I started out in the bushcraft sort of activities, and I ran that for several years. But as things have changed, as I've got older, I'm going away from that now. I'm starting to spend more of my time just doing general outdoor activities. When I get any spare time at weekends or during the week, I'll go off paddleboarding, walking, camping. And also, I've got a new project on the horizon. In the next few weeks, I'm hopefully going to be making quite a large purchase, and that's going to be featuring on future videos on this new channel, new branded channel, which is Jester Outdoor Activities. It's not Jester Outdoor Activities. It's going to be Jester Outdoor Adventures. That's what it's going to be. See, it's so new, I can't even remember the name myself. So yeah, look out for that. In probably, I don't know, a month's time, you might start to see some videos on that new purchase. So that's all coming up. So I just wanted to just let you know where we're at, what I'm going to be doing in the coming months, and hopefully I'm going to be putting a lot more videos out on this channel and just get back into it really. Just get out there, start enjoying the outdoors, get some fresh air and just start enjoying life. So that's my plan. So hopefully you'll join me on that. So like I say, watch out, a couple of weeks time, hopefully there's going to be some new videos. Okay, well thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.